Connects aftermarket speakers to the factory speaker harnesses. Direct connection to the factory harness without cutting any wires. Easy to install. No special tools are required. For 40 years, SCOSCHE has been producing high-quality, affordable car stereo dash kits, vehicle wiring harnesses, adapters, interfaces, amplifier wiring kits, cables and other 12 volts installation accessories. We know how you feel about your vehicle, so we will not design, engineer or deliver a product that does not meet our extremely high standards. When you purchase a SCOSCHE installation accessory, we have you covered. We offer lifetime tech support, which means our knowledgeable tech team is available to answer any product questions you may have for as long as you own the product. Top reviews from the United States. Worked great in my 2008 Suburban. Super easy to use and a total lifesaver. Highly recommended.